What's up everybody, Mr. Beast here, and welcome back to our series on how to make money using AI in 2025. Last time, we explored some seriously cool ways AI is changing the game, but trust me, we're just getting started. In this part, we'll explore 5 more innovative ways to leverage AI for financial gain. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive right in. Alright guys, let's talk freelancing. It's a booming market, and with AI, it's about to get even crazier. Imagine AI tools that write your proposals, schedule your appointments, and manage projects. Talk about a productivity hack. AI can unlock new freelancing opportunities like AI-powered translation services, personalized tutoring platforms, or AI-driven graphic design. By embracing AI tools, freelancers can offer more specialized services, work more efficiently, and ultimately rake in more cash. It's like having a superpowered sidekick for your freelance hustle. Jump on the AI bandwagon and take your freelancing game to the next level. Let's be real, figuring out the stock market can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But hold up, because AI is here to be your financial advisor. And it's way smarter than any crystal ball. AI algorithms can analyze mountains of data, spot trends, and predict market movements with crazy accuracy, helping you make smarter investment decisions. Remember, investing always comes with risks, but with AI on your side, you can navigate the market with more confidence and potentially make some serious bank. At Chapter 3, AI-powered content creation. Become a content machine. YouTubers, bloggers, social media gurus, listen up. We all know content is king, but creating killer content takes time and energy. Well, get ready to be amazed, because AI is about to become your new content creation sidekick. We're talking AI tools that can generate blog post ideas, write video scripts, maybe even one like this, and create stunning visuals. Think of it as having an army of writing assistants, video editors, and graphic designers at your beck and call. With AI, you can pump out more content, reach a wider audience, and ultimately boost your earnings. So ditch the content creation struggle and let AI help you build your online empire. Chapter 4. AI in healthcare services. The future of health is here. Alright guys, let's get real for a second. Healthcare is a big deal, and AI is about to revolutionize the entire industry. We're talking AI-powered diagnostic tools, personalized treatment plans, and even robots assisting in surgeries. AI can actually make healthcare more affordable and accessible. AI-powered virtual assistants can provide 24/7 medical advice, reducing the need for costly doctor's visits. AI-driven drug discovery can lead to faster development of life-saving treatments. There are massive opportunities in developing and providing AI-driven healthcare solutions. So let's use this incredible technology to improve lives and make a real difference in the world. Chapter 5, AI-enhanced e-commerce. Supercharge your online store, calling all entrepreneurs and online sellers. If you're not using AI in your e-commerce business, you're missing out on some serious profits. AI can analyze customer data, personalize shopping experiences, and predict future trends. It's like having a crystal ball for your online store. By leveraging AI, you can optimize your operations, increase sales, and build a loyal customer base. Embrace the future of online retail and let AI transform your e-commerce game. Outro, stay tuned for more AI awesomeness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money with AI. We've only scratched the surface of what's possible with this incredible technology. And I can't wait to show you what else is in store. Stay tuned for the next part of our series. Until then, keep hustling, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.